Nizam College, one of the oldest and most prestigious institutions in Telangana, established in 1887. Professor A. V. Rajshekhar took charge as principal of Nizam College on 18 November 2024. Continues to uphold a distinguished legacy of academic excellence and research contribution. And under his visionary leadership, the college has further strengthened its academic standards and institutional reputation. During his tenure, the college was re-accredited by NAC with an A grade and continued to remain the only institution in Telangana ranked under NIRF 101 to 150 bandwidth by the UGC, New Delhi. Through effective academic planning and student-centric initiatives, the college achieved a remarkable 97.74% admission rate through the DOST admission process for the academic year 2025-26. Nizam College also proudly retains the distinction of being the only cluster college in Telangana state. The institution's continued growth and pivotal role in higher education have been significantly strengthened under the stewardship of Professor A. V. Rajshekhar. Under his leadership, several initiatives are taken up. Constitution Day of India, Chief Guest, Professor M. Kodandaram on 26 November 2024. Death anniversary of Bharat Ratna, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 6 December 2024. Christmas celebrations organized by Literary and Cultural Club, Nizam College on 20th December 2024. Music therapy for cancer patients at MNJ Hospital on 28th and 29th December 2024. Savitribai Phule anniversary celebrations on 3rd January 2025. Shyam Benegal Memorial Meeting on 6th January 2025. Nizam College Sankranti Cultural Fest on 7th January 2025. Guest lecture organized by the Department of Sociology on 9th January 2025. Yuva Empower 2025 organized by Literary Cultural Club in collaboration with Auster on 23rd and 24th January. NAC Peer Team Visit on 23rd, 24th and 25th February 2025.
This is me. This is me. This is me. This is me.
International Women's Day.
మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా అటు
Birth anniversary of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Babu Jagjeevan Ram attended by Shri Kancha Ilayya on 21st April 2025. Telangana Formation Day on 2nd June 2025. World Environment Day celebrations on 5th June 2025. Student Induction Program on 15th July 2025.
sunshine. Give me some rain. Give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
Awareness Program on Gender Equality and Sensitization, organized by Nizam College in collaboration with TSC for Women. Chief guest, Shri Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka. Deputy Chief Minister on 17th July 2025. Today Microbiology Teachers Workshop and Book Launch on 23rd July 2025. Medical Camp organized by NSS on 10th August 2025. Not Me But You program organized by Unit 123 of NSS. Peace Festival organized on 14th August 2025. Independence Day celebrations on 15th August 2025. Anti-Drug Awareness Campaign in collaboration with National Services Scheme. Ganesh Idol making by students for Ganesh Festival on 26th August 2025 in collaboration with Literary and Cultural Club. Alumni Meet organized by Nizam College in collaboration with Osmania Alumni Association on 1st September 2025.
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Seed Ball Making Program organized by Oster on 15th September 2025. Clean Campus Program organized by Nizam College in collaboration with NSS on 19th September 2025. Bathukamma celebrations, Chief Guest Shri Mati K. Shilpavali, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Central Zone, Hyderabad on 22nd September 2025. Maharshi Valmiki Jayanti was celebrated on 7th October 2025 at Nizam College by garlanding the portrait of the great sage and offering tributes. New milestone in infrastructure, Nizam College Chemistry Department renovation pledged by Emerson Labs. Nizam College cultural students participated in Constitution of India. The contribution of Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a distinguished lecture by Honorable Chief Justice of India. Seventeenth HFI Mini Handball National Championship for boys and girls organized by Telangana Handball Association. NCC Orientation Day program organized by Nizam College Principal Professor A.V. Rajshekhar in association with NCC Unit Nizam College. Vigilance Awareness Week 2025 organized by National Fertilizers Limited (NFL) in association with the Central Vigilance Commission. NCC cadets have attended RD parade in New Delhi. The Academic Council meeting was held in Nizam College. It was addressed by Professor N. Kishan, Department of Mathematics, Osmania University. The meeting was graced by the presence of Professor Principal A.V. Rajshekhar. Awareness program on Say No to Drugs and Ganja organized by NSS Unit, Nizam College on 27 October 2025. Nizam College cultural students participated in Osmania University Inter-College Collegiate Cultural Competitions. Nizam College Alumni Meet. M.Com Batch 1974 to 1976. Under the guidance of Professor M. Kumar VC, Professor G. Naresh Reddy Registrar, Professor S. Jitender Kumar Naik OSD to VC, Principal Professor A.V. Rajshekhar has achieved so many things like NAC re-accredited with A grade, DOST admissions with 97.7% rate. Financial crisis has been removed by financially strengthening the college with the help of Telangana State Government and Osmania University.